lipat po muna tayo sa ibayong dagat. And by dagat, I mean dagat Atlantiko. Dahil po doon ay namuuna naman ang isang hurricane na buti na lang, hindi na siya malakas-lakas, no? From Category 5, naging Category 3, o medyo humina. Pero tinumbok niya yung Tampa Bay sa Florida. Marami po tayong mga kababayan na nasa Florida. Isa po siyang resident of Spring Hill, Florida, na makakapanayan po natin via Zoom.
Papaya!
Si Aaron Arcilia, makakapiling po natin ngayon sa ating programa. Aaron, anong oras na ba doon ngayon? Magandang umaga sa
Correct.
Florida. Aaron.
Hi,
Hello po.
Hi.
Magandang umaga po.
Magandang umaga. Aaron, nasaan ba banda yung Spring Hill na yan? Malapit-lapit pa ba rin kayo doon sa dinaanan ni Milton?
Yes po. So Spring Hill po is located north of Tampa po. So it's still on the west coast of Florida.
Yeah.
But a little bit na nasa middle po siya. So hindi po siya
Malapit sa
directly
coast.
na nasa coast line po.
So at least wala kayong panganib na may storm surge, di ba? Kasi yun ang binababala ng mga otoridad, storm surge. So kamusta ang lagay ng panahon diyan? So Spring Hill, parang spring nga ba ang panahon?
So as of the moment, it's around 5:45 here in the morning.
Yeah.
I was just outside for a bit because I placed all of my things po. Because we were staying overnight in the hospital. I work here as a registered nurse in one of the hospitals here in Spring Hill. And then the storm was completely passed in this area, which I'm really glad. But I could see that there's a lot of debris outside. But wala na pong hangin, wala na din pong ulan.
Sige,
Which I'm very
Aaron.
glad.
Aaron, taga saan ka dito sa Pilipinas? Aaron?
Sa Cebu po.
Sa Cebu. So hindi
Bisaya.
nung lumalaki ka ba sa Cebu, nakakaranas ka rin ba ng bagyo doon?
Opo. So sanay na po ako dito.
Sanay ha. Ibig sabihin, yung hurricane dyan, sisiw na sisiw yan sa mga bagyong dumadaan sa Pilipinas.
Totoo po. That's true.
Buti na lang mabilis siya, no, Aaron?
Bumilis ba yung takbo ni Milton?
Hindi, parang it's now,
Okay po.
it's past
Kasi-
already, hindi ba? Go
Sa
ahead.
dagat na ulit.
Kasi po, it was supposed to be a 5, but now it has gone
Category
down
three.
to 3 when, I'm not too sure what it was when it hit landfall,
Yeah.
but it's completely past na po. So,
Okay, very good. So, nag-high alert din ba yung ospital kung saan ka nagtatrabaho, Aaron, just in case meron pong mga isugod dyan, no, na mga hurricane victims?
yes po. So that's the good thing naman po dito, which I do appreciate, is that they do have good emergency preparedness and emergency response. So they split the staff into 2 teams, which Team A would have to respond during the height of the storm, which is where I belong in. So this is the reason why they asked the staff to stay the night before or the day before and spend the night in the hospital. And we'll be working po in the next hour. I will be preparing for my shift again because I'll be working from 7 a.m. until 7 p.m. And afterwards, the hospital and the local government will tell us if the roads are cleared to be passed through. And that would be the time that the next team po, which is Team B, will relieve us from our shift and then we could go safely home. Now, the concern lang po ng most people is that yesterday even the hospital was struck by a blackout. So that was around 9 p.m. October 9 when the hospital had to completely parang switch to full generators po. So I'm pretty sure when I go home, wala na pong
power
ilaw and there won't be any electricity.
Yeah.
O tapos we are expecting din po na wala din tubig because the water supply is somehow connected to
the
electric po. So ayun.
Dahil sa pump siguro yun, no? Kinakailangan i-pump yung water. So at
Yes,
least, dyan sa shift mo, wala namang pumasok, Aaron, na mga kinakailangan, yung parang mga injuries because of Milton. Wala naman.
I'm not too sure po kasi they're not under my care, so I don't really have information about them. But I'm not completely sure. However, I do know that there were patients that made their way in the hospital prior to the storm to kind of like seek shelter.
Doon lang
And the
sumilong.
hospital really cannot reject them po. Like for example, they have minor concerns, hindi naman po siya safe na discharge. Ipapauwiin sila in the middle of the storm. So we do have to keep them in.
Parang shelter na rin yung
Aaron,
ospital.
gaano kakatagal na dyan sa
Florida.
Spring Hill, sa Florida?
Bago lang po ako dito. I used to be a nurse in United Kingdom po. And then I moved here, Florida, at around April this year. So I've
bago
only
lang
been here
talaga.
for around 6 months.
Aha. And then sa UK, gaano katagal sa UK?
3.5 years po.
So sa buhay RN, OFW, baby ka pa.
Oo,
Diba?
Opo.
Kasi simula mo pa lang
Most of my career life po, I have
Saka-
been living abroad or
At saka dati British ang accent ni
I know.
Aaron. Ngayon, accent ni Donald Trump. Donald Trump, grabe. Oh.
Pero kamusta ang Filipino community dyan? Very tightly knit ba? At meron ka bang mga naririnig na may mga naapektuhan dahil dyan kay Milton?
So I run a page po kasi sa Facebook. It's aaron.the.rn or Aaron the RN, and then I made it po when I was still waiting for work. And so far there has been a lot of Filipinos that were reaching out to me, and because I post videos about what life is here in Florida, I post videos about the adjustments that new immigrants would have to make here. Just to help everyone po. And then there has been a lot of Filipinos from all over from America even that were asking about what the situation was, and then they have been really supportive. So a lot of Filipinos that have been here for a long time already were reaching out, nangungumusta po, and they were also giving tips, sharing their insights about the hurricane and what the preparations that they had to make.
That's good. Sige. Kinakausap ka na ng supervisor mo, Aaron. Sabi niya, what are you doing?
Oo.
Hindi po, gusto pong nagtanong lang po kung pwede daw tumulong.
Sige.
Okay naman po. Hindi pa naman po start ng show.
Ay, may ganyan kasi doon talagang...
if it's not the start of your shift yet.
Pwede kang humindi.
Oo,
Diba?
may right to refuse ka. Ano? Grabe talaga mga labor laws.
Pag dito
at nakita may ginagawa ka, alika dito.
Oo. Pag umayaw ka, wala kang pakisama. Ganon.
Pag gano'n, masusutan ka pa. Ikaw, may ginagawa ka ba? Tatambay-tambay ka, alika dito. Tumulong ka. Sabi ni Aaron, buti na lang, wala na ako sa Pilipinas. Masusutan ako.
Pero tutulong pa din yan. Kasi
Hindi,
Pilipino tayo.
Tutulungan ko po siya, mamaya.
Sige.
Oo.
Anyway,
Para sa more unboxing ng issue ng bayan,
Subscribe na sa Teleradyo Servisyo YouTube channel.